Hi everyone! Wherever you live, the past months must have been difficult for you. School closed, not being able to see teachers, friends, and relatives. Some of you might have lost a loved one. The National Cathedral in Washington, D.C. now has a special exhibition of origami doves, pigeons. Across cultures and religions, doves are a symbol of peace and hope. 2,000 origami doves, folded by people around the world, are hung from the ceiling of the cathedral. Some have a message. Today, I would like to show you how to fold a dove. Write a message on the dove, and you can hang it up or give it to your family or friends. Let's make a white dove. What you need is a sheet of white print paper, a pair of scissors, and these things are optional: glue, a pen, or a marker. First, let's make this rectangular paper into square. You bring down this corner up to here. First, you make sure that this point is folded well and align the lines here. Hold this part and crease. You need to cut off this extra part. It's very important to make a perfect square. So what you can do is fold it along the line here. Now you have a crease. So turn it over and cut along the line. Let's see. Yeah, now a square paper is ready. Good job. Let's start making a dove. First, you make a diagonal fold. There is already a crease here, so it's easy. Unfold it, and another diagonal fold. It's important to fold it precisely, so you put a finger at the top, hold it with an index finger, use another index finger to come down, crease it this way and the other way. Then let's make a wing. You bring up the bottom line, and how much, it depends on how big you want wings are. Something like that. And you turn it over and put paper this way. You pick up the upper flap and fold it this way to the left, about the midpoint of this, and you see center line here, right? So make sure that the center line goes straight, like that. Now you see a square. And there is a crease here. So bring the upper part down along the crease line. Fold it here, fold it the other side. And let's bring up the wing. You can bring up straight, but a dove has a fat belly, isn't it? So I put a little angle like this, and you do the same with the other side. You can just copy the opposite side like that. Now it's looking like a bird, isn't it? But we need a head. In order to do that, you fold this part down and fold it, follow the same line and fold it to the back too, and make a good crease. It's important. And you put it back, you put a finger inside and push it down. This top. I'll repeat it. So put a finger inside, push it down from the top, and then there is a head. It looks the same from both sides. Now a pigeon, the dove, is ready. And if you would like to write a message, you can do that anywhere, on the body, on the wings. But if you'd like to hang a dove from the ceiling, what you can do is to glue it here, the bottom, and if you open it, you see this kind of diamond shape. So I can write a message here. I put the piece Heiwa in Japanese, first Chinese characters, and hiragana. So if you hang it, people can read a message, right? If you use a colored origami paper, it's beautiful too. You can see the contrast of colors, and you can use different colors and it gets very colorful. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.